On Wednesday, Kansas City Mayor Sly James kicks off the campaign to provide a new source of money for the Parks and Recreation Department and approve $500 million to pay for the city's massive sewer repair project. James and other city leaders are asking voters on August 7th to approve Kansas City Questions 1 and 2. The campaign is called Reform, Repeal, Repair. But what would really be repaired, and what exactly are we reforming?
Well, I think they're trying to sell that we're going to take some taxes off in exchange for this sales tax, which is question one. And then question two, of course, is the sewer bond issue, which is the repair part of that slogan. I get the sense, maybe my colleagues disagree, but you get the sense that question two might be an easier sell. We're going to borrow money. We're going to have to pay for this one way or another. The tax increase or the tax swap might be at least more difficult to get to people to agree with. I don't know. We'll see.
And I think there's an issue here in selling this to the public because on question one, as Dave indicated, it is a swap. They're getting rid of some taxes and replacing them with a half-cent sales tax. And in his pitch on the other day, the mayor used the phrase, "This is really simple," twice.
It isn't really simple.
And I asked her that. I'm like, how can you say this is really simple? Because I just can see all these people sitting out there going, what? You know, because you've got, are you really getting rid of this? And how does that affect me versus I'm going to have to pay this half-cent sales tax no matter what? So I think they need to sell this a little better and clarify it a little better.
I think the one clarification point that I got before it came out was I was talking to Ollie Gates, and he was explaining how they would remove some tax and put some other tax in areas for the Parks and Recreation. People won't have to worry if they live on Boulevard paying more taxes. And it would help also finishing the Buck O'Neill Education Center, which they would turn over to Parks and Rec, and they would run that program, and it could be self-sustained with renting out spaces. But that sewer tax, that's going to be a tough one.
We'll see. Quickly, the advantage the city does have, supporters of both of these questions do have, is that there is no organized anti-tax opposition anymore. There used to be in Kansas City a pretty robust public anti-tax movement. You don't see that as much anymore. There aren't as many people making the argument against these taxes publicly.
And that is our weekend review. Well, thanks to our news reviewers, as Eric wanted to say something. From The Call, Eric Wesson. From The Star, Dave Helling. You can catch him on Radioactive from 2 to 6 weekday afternoons. On News Radio 98.1 FM, Scott Parks. And whenever important news breaks, Chris Hernandez on 41 Action News. I'm Nick Haynes from all of us here at KCPT. Thanks for spending part of your weekend with us.